everyone and welcome to my channel. And here is a triangle. What are you doing here? Aren't you doing your job, you this triangle? Okay, whatever. Now Circle is here, so let's talk to Circle now. So Circle, can you tell us what do you do every day? Can you please answer my question? I don't want to talk to you anymore. Can you speak square, please? I can't understand you. Okay, today we're going to play a game called called Long again, and we're going to play a new game inside the Long game. Yes, so let's get started. So everyone, we're in the game now, so let's go and play. So we need to do this 宝箱. Okay, let's click this little mini game. It's not actually a mini game, it's a game. Okay, very cartoonish game. Do you sing and wow your team now? Blah blah blah. Now, can you play with me? Okay, we're going to take this Parrot and say something. What should I say? I don't know. Hey. What are you saying? You're a parrot. Okay, don't speak. Called Long speaks a lot. I mean, a lot. He does like to speak so lot. Okay, we need to let the parrot take a bath. Yeah, swish, swash, swoosh, wait. It's not my birthday, okay? Okay, it's not my birthday, and there is a birthday song still going. No, I don't like it. Stop. Okay, stopped. Okay, let me do clean. Not stopping. Okay, stop. Okay, now for this. Yeah, it's game. The game is very cartoonish. I mean, very cartoonish. It's a good game. Okay, now we're doing this. Forwards. Okay, now the parrot is very happy now. Very happy. Now the parrot's sad, now it's happy again. Now it's sad again. No, he's scared. I don't know. Okay. Another thing, we need to do this. Another thing I could tell you all that in Chinese, parrots are called yingwu. Say with me. Yingwu. Oh my gosh. Go away these things. Oh, away. Okay. Now it's time to do another thing today. Okay, it's done. And now let's play fast. Yay, let's go. It's actually, I think it's called a flip-flop bird in English. Yeah. Yes, it's called a flip-flop bird. Okay, called Long, you do need to say everything. Okay, I already know how to play flip-flop bird. Okay, let's go just play. Hurry. I don't need a countdown. Okay, finally we can play flip-flop parrot. Flip-flop parrot. 小伴龙 Flipping flap parrot. Flip and flap. Flip, flap, flip, flap. Flip. Flap. Flap some more. Flip some more. Flip, flap some more. Flip, flap, 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 flap. Okay, flipping and flapping a lot. Flipping, flapping a lot. Flipping, flapping. I have been flipping, flapping a lot now. I could not flip and flap again. Okay, you're gonna see a lot of flip flaps. Okay, so wait. Finally, it's done. Okay, that parrot needs food. Okay, give water, just water. Okay, just water. Just water and you will be happy again. Okay. Oh, now there's food. Given this thing, I don't know what it is, but just given. I think it's nuts, yes. Yay! That parrot doesn't have an egg on his body again. Yay, finally. So everyone, I'm ending the video right here now, so bye-bye.